Morning students, today we will start a new lesson, Moral Science. Work hard, be happy. Students, do you believe in hard working? If so, what is your duty towards your studies? As a student, your duty is to study well. Can you pass your exam by just dreaming of good grades and not actually studying? Sometimes you may spend more time worrying about your results than studying. Either way, you will not be able to do well. If you want good results, you have to work hard. Nothing can be achieved without hard work. This is the story all about hard work and be happy. Many years ago, a potter lived in Israel. He was very hard-working man. He had a hearty appetite and enjoyed the simple food served by his wife. He slept without any worries. Hearty appetite means a strong interest in and desire to eat well. Every day the potter stopped by a rich man's house to eat a few pieces of dry loaves. Rich man was very lazy man. He observed the potter enjoying his simple meal and felt jealous with him. Sadly, though the rich man had tasty food to eat, he did not enjoy it as much. He decided to ask the potter the secret of his hearty appetite. One day the rich man pretended he had some work for the potter and asked him to come into his house. He took the potter towards some rooms and unlocked the doors of the first room. The potter saw piles of brassware. The second room was filled with silver, the third with gold, and the fourth with precious stones, jewels, and coins. The rich man told him to take whatever he wanted from this room, but please tell him the secret of his hearty appetite. The potter had no answer because he himself did not know the secret of his good appetite. The rich man filled the potter's pocket with jewels. The potter got a bit greedy and filled his clothes with more jewels and knotted the loose ends. The rich man promised to give him some more jewels if he shared the secret of his appetite. The potter went home excitedly and filled a clay jar with the jewels, but he was very upset that the jar was not completely full. After that, he kept thinking of ways to fill the jar. From that day, the potter did not enjoy his meals any longer and he became anxious and thin. The rich man saw the potter's condition and asked him why he was looking so thin. The potter explained the reason for his worry. The rich man told him not to worry. He told him to take as many as jewels he wanted to fill the jar. The potter became very happy and he took more jewels and returned home. He made a hole in the ground, hid the jar inside and covered it with soil. Now he spent all his time gardening the jewels. He lost interest in his work and had no appetite either. One day when the potter and his wife had gone out, a thief robbed their treasure. When the potter saw the empty jar, he got a shock. The potter's wife asked him to forget about the lost treasure and start working again. The potter listened to his wife and began working again. Slowly he was able to carry heavy loads and work hard. His appetite came back. Now children, could you guess what was the secret of his healthy appetite? Yes, that is honest hard work. He had finally found the answer to the rich man's question. So students, now tell me, what did you learn from the lesson? Yes, we learned that be happy with what you have while working for what you want. Read the chapter once more and do the question answer your own.